Are you new to essential oils and not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the exciting realm of aromatherapy, and I've got a fantastic lineup for you. Stick around because in the next minutes, we'll be exploring the 7 best essential oils for beginners, along with some practical uses to enhance your daily life. Choosing the right oils can make all the difference in your aromatherapy journey, and that's what we're here to help you with. Welcome to EcoFit Life. Today we're diving into the world of essential oils. Are you ready to embark on this fragrant journey? Let's unlock the secrets of these aromatic wonders. First up, we have the ever-soothing lavender oil. Lavender is a versatile oil with numerous practical uses. It is a classic choice known for its calming properties, for promoting relaxation, and for reducing stress. You can use it by diffusing it in your living space, adding a few drops to your pillow, or even mixing it with a carrier oil for a soothing massage. Lavender truly sets the foundation for a serene aromatherapy experience. Besides promoting relaxation, lavender oil is great for soothing minor skin irritations, like bug bites or burns. Apply a diluted mixture to the affected area for a quick and calming relief. Next on our list, we have the uplifting citrus oils, like lemon, orange, and grapefruit. These oils bring a burst of freshness and energy. They're great for lifting your mood and creating a positive atmosphere. Simply diffuse them to invigorate your space or add a few drops to your homemade cleaning products for a zesty, clean scent. Citrus oils are like a breath of fresh air for your senses. Citrus oils are not just mood boosters. They work wonders in removing sticky residue or grease. A win-win for a clean and uplifting environment. Now let's talk about the versatile tea tree oil, renowned for its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. Tea tree oil is a must-have for beginners, especially if you're looking to support your skin health. It's excellent for blemishes and minor skin irritations. You can apply it topically, diluted with a carrier oil, or add a few drops to your skincare routine. Tea tree oil is like nature's little superhero for your skin. Tea tree oil is also your go-to for acne-prone or problematic skin. Create a DIY blemish gel by mixing a drop of tea tree oil with aloe vera gel. This powerhouse combo helps soothe and clarify your skin. You can also add a few drops to your shampoo to promote a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff. Moving on to eucalyptus, a game changer, especially during the cold and flu season. Eucalyptus oil is known for its respiratory benefits. It's perfect for clearing the airways and promoting easy breathing. Add a few drops to your diffuser or create a steam inhalation by adding a drop or two to hot water. Eucalyptus is your go-to when you need a breath of fresh air. Aside from its respiratory benefits, eucalyptus oil is excellent for muscle tension relief. Create a soothing massage oil by blending a few drops of eucalyptus with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Massage onto tired muscles for a refreshing and invigorating experience. Now let's explore the ancient wisdom of frankincense oil, known for its grounding and spiritual properties. Frankincense is a calming oil that can help center your mind and promote a sense of inner peace. Diffuse it during meditation or mix it with a carrier oil for a soothing massage. Frankincense is like a fragrant journey into relaxation and mindfulness. Frankincense is more than just a meditation aid. It's fantastic for skincare. Mix a drop or two with your favorite moisturizer to promote healthy, glowing skin. Frankincense also has anti-aging properties, making it a luxurious addition to your skincare routine. Our next guest is the soothing chamomile oil, a gentle giant in the world of aromatherapy. Chamomile oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. It's perfect for promoting a restful night's sleep and easing feelings of anxiety. Add a few drops to a diffuser in your bedroom or sprinkle a diluted mixture on your pillow to create a tranquil environment for a restful night's sleep. Chamomile is the sleep champion. You can also create a relaxing chamomile tea by infusing dried chamomile flowers in hot water for a calming bedtime ritual. It is like a warm hug for your senses, making it an essential addition to your collection. Finally, after exploring these first 6 fantastic essential oils, let me present you the one essential oil that stands out as the star of the show, the must-have for beginners. But before doing that, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our aromatic adventures. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And hey, here's a pro tip. If you're looking for these fantastic essential oils or some amazing essential oil diffusers, check out the links in the description below. We've curated a special collection just for you. So last but certainly not least, we have the invigorating Peppermint Oil, a true powerhouse in the world of essential oils. Peppermint oil is fantastic for promoting alertness and easing tension. Use it in a diffuser to create a stimulating environment or apply diluted oil to your temples for a refreshing, cooling sensation. Peppermint oil is also a headache reliever, but did you know it's also great for improving focus and concentration? Inhale the aroma directly from the bottle or diffuse it in your workspace to stay alert and energized during work or study sessions. Peppermint not only invigorates your senses, but also provides that extra boost of energy to kickstart your day. Its versatility makes it a perfect choice for a variety of situations. Plus, it blends well with other oils, giving you endless possibilities for creating your personalized aromatic blends. Peppermint is the game changer that elevates your essential oil experience to a whole new level. We've covered the 7 best essential oils for beginners, each with its unique benefits and uses. But guess what? Our journey doesn't end here. In our next video, we're unlocking the secrets of essential oil blends that will take your aromatherapy experience to the next level. Imagine the power of combining these fantastic oils for a personalized aromatic symphony. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until our next fragrant rendezvous, stay aromatic, stay curious, and as always, take care of yourself and of our beautiful planet.